The SolidCAM Simulator has added a new option underneath the machine time for equal playback. What this allows us to do is simulate our operations in an equal amount of time. If we have these three operations highlighted, we can see that the first operation is 3 minutes and 14 seconds, the second is 3 minutes and 19, and then 5 minutes and 53 seconds. If we change the display to by time, we can get a graphical representation of the machining time, and we can see that the last operation is almost twice as long as the other two. Switching to machining time mode, there is an option for equal playback. When we are not on equal playback, it is machining as a factor of the real machining time. So in this instance, this operation takes 3 minutes and 14 seconds. It would simulate in 3 minutes and 14 seconds, or if we adjusted the speed slider, it would accordingly adjust and play at a faster or a slower speed. Underneath the equal playback time, this dialog changes to a seconds. This means that each operation will be simulated in the time specified, and the default is 10 seconds. If I were to change this to say 5 seconds and hit play, this means that each operation will start and stop at exactly 5 seconds. This gives us a way to review the machining where all the operations have an equal amount of time while we're watching it play. This is extremely helpful when you switch between operations that have drastically different either toolpath steps or machining total time, such that if we went to the drilling operations, and here we can see the beginning drilling operations, the peck operations, or the spot drilling, they're only 7 seconds, 5 seconds, 9 seconds. Then this one is 47 seconds, this is 40, 21, and then I think this last framing is only a few seconds. Underneath the equal playback time, you can see a very smooth animation of the drilling, which is extremely difficult to get in any of the other playback modes. Here you can even see the pecking, you can see the way that the tool is moving up and down and transitioning between the holes. This machining time can be changed from any value that you like. It can even be as low as 2 seconds, and if we restart the time, we can see each operation take exactly 2 seconds.